Welcome back. We are doing, continuing with part G, and we are on page 13 of chapter 20. Okay, we're going to prepare the journal entries again for the lessor, because now in this last half of the chapter we're focused on the lessor, and we're going to use the table and the calculations we did from page 12. So, January 1st, 2020. And again, that's lease inception, so if you see that wording, don't panic, it just means the beginning of the lease. So, we're going to debit lease receivable, which is the gross investment, for $399,936. Now, we're going to take away the equipment acquired for the lease, because it's gone now. And that was our net investment, which is $316. So we're removing it from our books. Well, they don't balance. That's going to represent our unearned interest income. Also on January 1st, we're going to pay the lease. So we're going to, not pay the lease, we're the lessor, we get cash, and credit lease receivable for $59092 because there's no interest. It was the first day. Now we get to year end. October 31st is our year end, and it's smack in the middle of our year. So we're going to have to accrue some interest. So we debit the unearned interest income and credit interest income. So, looking at our table on page 12, we know for the next year, it's going to be $23,122 of interest we're going to earn in total. How many months have gone by since we made the payment? If you count them up, you should get 10/12. So that's going to be $19,268. Okay, remember, we're the lessor, we're getting the payments, so that extra little bit, we're getting interest income. Okay, so that was our year end. Now we get to January 1st, 2021. So we get cash for $59092 and credit lease receivable for $59092. Now, you could accrue 2/12 of interest for November and December, or you can just leave it to year end. I think it's less confusing to leave it till year end, but you can try it both ways and see. And I think the questions, I'm pretty sure they stayed this way. Okay, so that was January 1st, 2021. And now we're looking at October 31st, 2021. And again, we're going to debit unearned interest income and credit interest income. Now, we need a whole year. Okay? So, we need 2 months from last year plus 10 months from this year. So, 2 months from last year, we had the 23,122, already recorded 19,268. So, it's going to be part of 23,122 minus 19,268. So that's one piece, but our table didn't go far enough. So what are we going to do? How are we going to calculate the interest? Well, think of the interest on net investment column. You take 9% times the balance, 220,938, but not the whole year, times 10/12. And that shows to 20424. So hopefully that made sense. Okay, part H. I'm going to go on and let's see how far we get, because I don't want to give you a whole bunch of little teeny tiny videos. Or do you want little teeny tiny videos? Perhaps I should have asked you. Okay, you know what? I'm going to finish this video here and then we'll start part H. Talk to you later.